May I come in, ma'am? Friends, this is the most commonly used sentence in schools by students when they enter into the classrooms and they seek permission of their teachers. Similarly, we have many other modal verbs like may. We have might, must, should, can, could, will, would, and number of others. But in today's video, we are going to discuss about the uses of can. Before we discuss the uses of can, let's first understand what are modal verbs. Modal verbs are basically the verbs to describe various modalities in conversation. Now, what are modalities in conversation? If I have to advise you, I'll say you should speak the truth. If I have to talk about any obligation in your life, probably if you will not do it, you will face something negative. So I'll say you must do it. Similarly, there are many other modalities, and in various modalities, we use different modal verbs. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about the modalities, the uses of can, in what all situation can is used in day-to-day communication. So let's start. Can you do me a favor before we proceed with the video ahead? Can you subscribe our channel and hit the like button and click on the bell icon so that you get all the updates about our future videos? I'm requesting you. So we'll discuss that possibility of can as well in the video. So let's proceed. Can is used first to express the ability. You have some ability which you can do. I have some ability which I can do. Your friend has got an ability which he or she can do. So, to talk about a person's ability, we use can. I can speak English. She can run fast. You cannot defeat him. You can express ability in positive or in negative. And sometimes we also question on a person's ability, why can't you do something about it? So this is how we talk about ability, and we use can as a modal verb. The second modality of can is in the form of a request, like I requested you in the beginning. Can you do me a favor to subscribe my channel? Similarly, can is used to offer an informal request, to do an informal request to someone. You are in a family and you're sitting on a table, a dining table probably, and having lunch together, dinner together, breakfast together, and probably on the same table the salt, pepper shakers are lying, requesting a family member to pass the salt to you, and sitting on the same table, because family situation is an informal situation, so you would request anybody, can you pass me the salt? Now, can you give me a glass of water? You would probably tell to a person whom you know well. So it will be an informal request. So you will use can in that. Can you help me in the kitchen? Mama can request children. You can request your own sister. So these are requests are always used in an informal situation, and we use can in that. Next, can is used for an informal permission. When I use the sentence, may I come in, ma'am, it is used in a formal context to seek permission, because you're seeking permission from a teacher, and the situation of a classroom is always a formal situation. But whenever you seek permission in informal situations, you always use can, not may. Remember, you are requesting a friend, you are just seeking the permission from a friend to call him with the nickname. So, let's say friend's name is Samir, so you can say, can I call you Sam? So, you're seeking informal permission to call him with his nickname. Can I call you back? You're seeking the permission from a friend in an informal situation so that you can call him back after some time. Can I join you? If there is a party going on, you're seeking a permission to enter into that party. Can I join you? So, seeking permission in an informal situation, always there is a possibility to use can as a modal verb. Last but not the least, can is used to express offer. You offer someone by saying that you can do it. Sometimes you appear for an interview and you are selected then and there itself. So the employer or the interviewer can well say, you can join from tomorrow. So he's giving you an offer to join from tomorrow. You can have this. It can be a piece of cake. It can be probably a dress you liked of your friend. So whenever somebody offers you something, you can have this. So you're offering, you can use can. Can I help you? Again, you're offering your help to someone. Can I help you in the kitchen? Can I help you in your homework? So either you're offering as a question or you're offering as an affirmation. You use can to express an offer. So these are the various modalities where can as a modal verb is used. And in next videos, we are going to cover all the modal verbs. Don't forget to write us in the comment section which modal verbs you would like us to cover the first. That's all about today. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get all the updates about our videos. Thank you for watching.